y'all, so it is currently 8:57 in the morning. It is Tuesday. We are almost to Juneau, Alaska. Ooh, now what if I drop this? I'm playing, y'all, but I'm holding on tight. Ooh, it's cold, but I want y'all to see, because we haven't been seeing anything in a while, just water, but we have some mountains. We got this mountain. Ooh, it's so cold out here, y'all. But we got some mountains. Got this mountain and this big one right here. I'm gonna go over there. Ooh, it's cold. It's so cold, y'all. She getting ready right now. I'm already ready. I'm wearing my pink boots and stuff. The wind is blowing. It looks like we got another boat over there. Y'all see that light? It looks like we got another boat out there, like a little tiny one. But oh, it is so cold. I want to see a whale or something jump. Like, I want to see something big jump somewhere. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all this mountain. And this time to go back in. I'm freezing.
Happy Tuesday. We in Juneau, Alaska. Well, I don't think we there yet. We not there quite yet. I think Niyah showed y'all some mountains. I was in the shower, but we about to go down to breakfast. We do have an excursion planned today. I had an excursion for a salmon bake. There you go. I'm using my rose glow oil. Rose glow oil hits different. I'm telling y'all. If y'all been wondering what I mostly wear on my face, it's the rose glow oil. I'm telling you, it hit different. Combined with the face wash. I had thought I left this at home. I was gonna be too mad. Yeah, you ain't see the mountains on the side?
I see something, but
you must be on the other side.
No, it's on that side.
Oh, you know where Cleveland just came from.
Kind of lower.
Oh.
It's like you see the clouds instead of.
Let me take these off. So I originally booked an excursion for a salmon bake. I booked that after I made the reservation for the cruise, because the one that we have now, which is the glacier, something to do with a glacier, a popular glacier, that wasn't available when I made the reservation for the salmon bake. I didn't see it. And then yesterday, or no, the day before yesterday, I seen it on the app. It was available in the app. So I made that reservation and I went down yesterday and canceled the salmon bake, because we don't need to do two. So one or the other, because these mugs are expensive. The salmon bake, I think, was $149 per person, and this glacier is $199 per person. So we're gonna do one or the other. They do have a lot of different excursions. I'm just happy to be able to do one. And then in Ketchikan, which we go, why did it get so bright? And then we have another excursion in Ketchikan, Alaska. Is that tomorrow? Yeah, I think we'll be in, no. We're going to Icy Strait, Alaska tomorrow. I don't have anything planned there. But we do have something in Ketchikan, Alaska, which I think is Friday, or either Wednesday or Friday.
You said Thursday.
Oh, Thursday for Ketchikan?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know. One of these days we're going to Ketchikan, and I got a reservation, huh?
So look at my face.
Mm-hmm. When you use my products, you
Wait, can you hurry up? I need to change my thing.
Girl, go over to the side. They can't see you. Cause I'm trying to hurry up.
I was stepping out of that water.
Okay, let me move over. I didn't even show y'all the bathroom. It's all jacked up now. It's nice. It's one of the bigger bathrooms. This is a spa balcony suite. I don't know if I told y'all, which includes the spa that we went to yesterday. So yeah, this bathroom has a double sink, and the shower is different from the regular balcony rooms. It might be a little bit bigger, I'm thinking. I know the shower is bigger. I'm not gonna do my edges or anything because I'm probably about to put a hat on. It's cold out there. It's supposed to be 47 degrees and raining. It's supposed to be raining all week in Alaska. So the UGG rain boots are perfect. And I am wearing them today. I am wearing the Super Mario shirt, which is kind of too big. I got an extra large, but I guess I could have went for a large because it's like all of this. It's like a lot, but then I just got on some navy blue leggings, and I'm gonna wear the yellow rain boots. Oh, it's a restaurant in Juneau. I forgot the name of it, but it's a king crab restaurant. I will be in there. I think you can order like a big bucket of king crab. It's like $250. Girl, I will be feasting on some Alaskan king crab today. That's all I plan on eating here in Alaska. Now, I haven't had Dungeness crab before. Like I told you, I got an excursion in Ketchikan, Alaska, where you get on the boat and you help. From what I read, y'all know me, what I think you do is help them catch some Dungeness crab, and then you go back to the lodge and eat it. So like I said, I never had Dungeness crab before, so that should be exciting. Now you're playing around with her hair.
Wait.
You know you're gonna have your hat on, probably, so it don't matter.
I can't put it on then.
Huh?
I can't have this hairstyle then.
Yes, why can't you?
It's gonna get in the way.
Well, I don't even know if you're gonna need a hat. Yeah, we're about to go down. You can wear it like that now. I don't even know, because you can just wear your earmuffs and you just bring your hat if it gets too cold. That's the deal. Let's go down to breakfast, y'all. I'm only gonna get a little something. I don't really be feeling breakfast that much. So, oh, that's cute. Look, those are cute.
Yeah, I like these.
They're so cute. Look at this. We cute. They shutting down the pool. So cold out here.
My sunshine away. One more time. You are my sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me happy.
Ooh, this water's warm.
Don't you please won't hold my sunshine away. Wash you happy.
Washy. Everybody knows the song by heart now. Yeah, I said I wasn't getting that much, and did. You said, yeah, she said that too. She said, I ain't getting that much. She got some rice, y'all. Some garlic fried rice. Is it good? It's raining. Got another view from this side. You can sit down there. Huh? You said it's snow? Oh, I thought it was just clouds. Oh yeah, that is snow. Hold on. Let me get over here. See, be over here in the corner of this big old table. It's just us two. Oh, I got a banana. Lemon water. Yeah, it is snow.
Some of it is clouds, that's snow.
Cinnamon roll was too sweet. The potatoes are good. He put too much cheese in this omelet, so I was just picking around that. And biscuit was kind of hard. So basically, just ate the potatoes. I'm about to eat this banana. Call it a day or morning.
Real close to the mountains right now. She just went into the bathroom, but we finally got a seat up close because all of these seats were taken. It's a bunch of seats that got a great view of outside. We just chilling out in the lounge right now, waiting to get to Juneau.
Off your list of goodbyes. You're sick of Saturday nights when I call you. You ain't got time
See the spout? Oh, there's the tail. That's smooth.
I ain't paying for no tour.
Right.
You paid for the tour.
Right, that's smooth. I should have stayed out here. I was right out here with the camera.
Something spit up. I was looking at it. Yeah, I was like, is that something or?
That was the well.
Yeah, I seen something. It was like
It's
a little.
further out, yeah. He down, or he under probably now, but.
Yeah, I seen something like a water spit up.
It just did the water spout thing.
Yeah, I seen that. I was like, is that something? I was thinking in my mind.
Y'all
But he
sped
reacted
enough.
way faster than me. Oh yeah, you see it?
Yeah, here we go.
Okay, I see you. Yeah.
It's still out.
Right, he went back underwater. Yeah.
Let me see
Good
if
eye.
See, I don't be reacting fast enough. I be so slow.
So they're out here now.
Oh, there's the tail. I should have stayed out here. I was right out here.
Yeah, you were just out here.
You kept saying yesterday, I want to see
Yeah, you did.
Anger makes me want to stay out here now.
Yeah, I got I got a small piece of his tail.
You're not gonna bring a coat with you?
Did you?
Sure, it's freezing out here. I think I got probably a second of it.
Let me see.
It's not gonna be as windy, I don't think, when you over there.
I don't know. I'm bundling up. So I ain't playing games.
Yeah, I want to see one of them ones that's that huge one and they go.
Oh yeah.
And then, like it go out of the water and go
Jump.
back in. Jump
Yeah.
out of the water.
We seen 2 whales. The other one was so far out. The guy next door, his name's Peyton. He got a great video of the first whale. The other one, Niyah seen something, but she didn't say nothing. And then he must have seen it from his window over there.
Yeah, he
He
already.
was like, "There's another one."
What is new?
And he didn't jump up like the last one. The last one put his whole tail out, so he kind of
Yeah,
did the
he
little.
waited.
Yeah, he did the little
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that background. That's beautiful.
Yeah, you could take a picture like this.
Mm-hmm.
The guy next to us, Cleveland, was talking to him. They was out here having a little long conversation yesterday. So they already buddy. But yeah, he got a good video of the whale. Because Cleveland had just came in before the whale came out, and he closed the door and sat down for maybe less than a minute. And we heard the guy, like, it sounded like to me they were playing, him and his wife. Like, you know, we just heard noise, and Cleveland like, what are they doing? I was like, I don't know. It sounded like he playing. And then what made you? I think we heard him say whale or something. Didn't
I
we?
ain't hear him say nothing.
Oh no, you said maybe he see a whale.
Yeah, I said maybe he see a whale
maybe
or
he said
something.
whale. And Cleveland jumped up and then he grabbed his camera. They do have excursions for whale watching where they take you out on a boat to look for whales. But shoot, like I told y'all, them excursions are expensive. So we got what? How many more days? 4, 5 more days to look for some whales. Hopefully we see some.
You on the boat.
Well, they said no. They said you guaranteed to see some
Oh.
if you do the excursion. But yeah, it's cold out there. I ain't playing games. I got on my gloves. I'm about to put on my earmuffs. I don't know. I might wear the hat. But I'm definitely gonna wear my coat. Cleveland talking about he ain't wearing no coat. He don't think he wearing a coat. He just go wear this.
This is a coat.
I know, but I'm saying it's so thin.
It's not thin. This is warm, and I have on a
yeah, okay.
shirt
It's kinda
and
dark.
a t-shirt.
Okay. I just don't want you to be cold out there. This ain't no
cold.
This ain't no quick run to the car and back, or running from the car to a store. You're gonna be out there for hours.
I was just not warm. I got this hoodie thing on under here, a t-shirt on under this. I'm dressing in layers.
And he didn't even bring the gloves.
I thought I
Is
packed
this
them. I forgot.
backwards?
Yeah, that's
that this
backwards.
grip
For,
on
yeah,
it?
the grip is so you can use the phone. All right, we pulling in, y'all. The tugboat here to guide us. Guide us in. All right, y'all, we about to go down and eat lunch before we disembark. We're not there yet. We got probably about an hour to go. But our excursion is like 4 hours, so we don't want to be hungry. during those 4 hours. Popo, what we ate at this one yesterday. Taste. Yeah, we ate at that one for lunch yesterday, so we're gonna eat at this one today, which is Savior.
Family?
Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, they got fish tacos today.
Because it wasn't on there. This is a different menu.
Ooh, and a turkey burger.
Change it every day.
Asian meatball style.
Corn chowder, yum. I'm gonna get the corn chowder. I always get 2 appetizers because they be so small.
What about the shrimp fritters? What's that? The bell pepper.
Yeah, that sounds good too. But I had this yesterday, the spinach Caesar. That was really good. Turkey burgers, fish tacos, a BLC, classic cheeseburger. And you can order all 3 if you want to. You can order all of these at the same time if you want to. They got some blue fish, some kind of shrimp,
Backwards.
frittata.
Don't look out there. Focus on it. I don't feel like it's thick or nothing.
Okay.
Look outside.
Some rotisserie chicken. Okay. So,
But it's different.
yeah, it looks like
Right here, it's
I'll
faster,
be
it's sicker looking.
getting these 2. I want to taste both of these. And I always get 2 of the entrees, but I never eat. I always eat one or the other and nibble off the other. You see what I'm saying? Because sometimes you just order one, it might not taste good, and I have to tell them, well, can I order this when I can just, later on, and I have to wait for that to come out, when I can just order 2 things, that, when they both can just come out at the same time. Y'all get it? Y'all see all them logs? Sticks out there?
I wonder what it would look like if it was like a landslide, like a whole bunch of things being water.
Corn chowder. That's good. I need some pepper though. Wait, can you do that for me? Pepper. I don't need the sauce. It's called Vietnamese chicken pole or something like that. I don't know. It look good, but it stinks. It smells funny. Cleveland said it tastes like chicken noodle soup. I can't get past the smell. I think it's the chicken or something.
I mean, taste the little
noodles
or whatever it is.
I can't get past the smell.
That smells good.
Right, she's talking about she don't like the smell.
Smell just like chicken.
Yes.
Yep. I said that's
All right,
weird.
y'all. They got
seeing
the
that
fish
like that.
tacos. I don't like them because the fish is real gummy. Yeah, the fish real gummy. Like it's not done all the way. And then the turkey burger. I don't know. I'm gonna just eat the fries. Oh, it's raining. But look how this look. We ain't seen it. We only been seeing the mountains through a glass. We ain't came out yet. It's so cold and rainy.
Look, Mama, look.
Oh, you got the.
They can't see it. Haven't seen it.
Wow. It's rainy. Okay, we gotta hurry up and get to our excursion. We don't know if they left us or what. They were so unorganized in there. It took us forever to get off the boat. We're like 20 minutes past the the meetup time that we supposed to meet up for the excursion. You see the water? Wow. Can y'all see that? Wow, this camera's not doing it justice. This is beautiful. Wow. All right, they didn't leave us. That one?
This one.
Yeah.
Glacier Gardens?
Yep.
Okay, so your bus is in the 3rd lane over. The number's 149. So you can walk down the stairs here and over.
Okay. The waterfall?
Where? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's water.
Yeah.
Wow. 149.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Good.
I love your guys' food.
Thank you.
Super cute.
But
So yeah, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go to the gardens first,
You're going to take a tram up a mountain. Hopefully everything clears well. And then when you're done with that tour, then we're going to head out to the glacier. Then we're going to come back and you're going to do whatever you would like to do. The Alaskan Hotel, which is the oldest hotel in Alaska. It opened its doors. It opened its doors September 16th. Ooh. Yeah, I got it. 1913, and it's been open ever since. Also down there is the Imperial Bar. The ship spent the night in 1791 and still has most of the original furnishings and its original tin ceiling. First time in 4 years, I'm going to spend Thanksgiving and Christmas with my daughters and their families. We'll see how nice that is. Oh, Lord. Only a third of a mile down the Nugget Falls Trail. We'll have beautiful pictures of the glacier and the falls. No, Mendenhall Glacier is actually a receding glacier. Yeah, so it loses about 400 inches a year, which is quite a bit. The sun is trying to come out. Woo! Now I'm going to tell you honestly though, the blue in the glacier shows up so much better on a cloudy day. So we're glad that it's not raining.
Huh? Yeah.
The trees in this forest cannot send down a taproot in order to anchor themselves down. Through about 90% of the forest, there is only between 1.5 feet and 2 foot thick worth of soil. People don't come see us for the winter. Right here on the left is a very funny shaped tree. We call this one the donut tree, but the way it actually got that shape is quite simple. There was once a large boulder that sat there right in front of that tree. Because we've had far too little rainwater this year. It does look good this year, or right at the moment anyway. A lot of gold, silver, or gold and silver, and quartz crystals can be found in a lot of those. Now whenever we have rainwater coming down the mountain, it gets to serve the top of that pretty waterfall there. Coming up on the right up here, the first of our 5 settling ponds. They collect all the sediment, debris, and rain flow that comes down the mountain, keep us from ever having another big landslide. Steve did put these ponds in for that purpose. As you can see, they do their job quite well. He has to come out here about once a year and dredge them all out, get all the sand, soot, and soil that comes down the mountain out, keep it from overflowing with it. This year, though, we did have one big day where it rained real hard all day. We had this big atmospheric river. It actually started a couple of small mudslides, filled up a couple of his ponds. You'll be seeing one right up ahead up here. That tree did come down in the big freak windstorm we had last year. We had hundreds of trees all over Juneau getting knocked down. Sadly, that one right there was one of the casualties. Still a real pretty view down there, though.
It's kind of cloudy, but you can still see a good portion of everything. Yeah, it's an airport down there. Looks like a freeway or whatever. Let's go on that side too. It's cloudy. Look at the clouds moving so fast right there. See it? I wish this tree wasn't in the way. If this tree wasn't in the way, you'll have a really, really good view. Okay. Bundled up like a big baby. It ain't even that cold. This is pretty high. Look at all of that. Beautiful mountains. Yeah, you could actually, everything looks like little dots up here. Look like a little video game, don't it? When they drive on Grand Theft Auto, that's what the traffic look like. Glacier. See, there's a couple of small icebergs hanging out there. There's a couple of small icebergs out there. You taking pictures, Vaughn?
We about to make this trip a mile. Oh, it's a bear trail. On this trail? Come on, Pooh. We're on a bear trail. Guess these people already made it there and on their way back.
Right before dinner.
Y'all doing all right? Huh? What you mean? What am I doing? You good, Niyah?
You need to be watching out for the bears.
Ain't no, hey, boo boo. It's looking like the Blair Witch Project right now. This is a huge mountain up here. Always leave them, they walk slow. But they can't get lost out here. They stick out like a sore thumb with them colors. Glacial grist mill turns rock into flour. Really? They say how fine is it? And then they got, I guess they got samples up here, right? Oh yeah, so it's like the rocks right there. And it's getting smaller and then smaller until it's that. That's pretty sweet. Solid bedrock. The friction of moving ice and the lubrication of melt water generates fine particles of rock that are ground fresh daily by the glacier. Sweet. That sucker is beautiful. This is like amazing. Look at that.
I can go to sleep to this. The beauty of nature. The sounds of nature. Y'all see the salmon? Yeah. Come on, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Yeah. Somebody go help him. Yeah. You heard me too? I said somebody go help him. Look at that. Wow. You see that, Paul?
She over there doing stuff that's for babies. I'm getting right up on this thing. I want to see what it feel like. Woo! Right up in there. Beautiful. You can see rocks and leaves and everything coming from down there. Wow. Shall I go closer? I guess she's scared to come over here. Let me go ask her. She ain't even come. Let me see what she's talking about. Looking like a highlighter over here. You're not gonna go close to it? You're not gonna get close to it? You're not gonna go up there? Come on. 145, you can touch the face from where we standing. So we're here, and it's receded that far back. Oh, it's been receding for over 200 years. Yeah. And then there's the falls right next to it. We walked all the way over there, and we just got back.
Oh, yeah, it's around here somewhere. All right, we just got finished from our tour. We're about to tour the little town. Oh, look at that up there.
What?
It's abandoned.
Oh, yeah.
It's all messed up. Yeah, we're about to tour the little town. I'm looking for the restaurant, Tracy's King Crab Shack. Looking for that. And there's our boat. It's about a little bit after, probably about 5:30. And I think our boat leave at 11. So we got a little bit of time. It's raining. I'm about to put y'all away because it's raining. I can even put my hood on. And we found it. Oh, it's a line.
Good one. Trying to keep the wind blowing. You gotta keep it like that.
They sold out all of that.
That go that 3 pounds, 220 bucks right there. Large king piece buckets. I just want to film. Is that good?
Yeah, I don't mind at all.
Alright.
You want to slide the bucket out right here? Alrighty, let me give you a couple of works.
I don't know. We missing our crab roll.
Oh yeah, I got more coming.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no biggie.
One little helper. Yes.
You said what? Huh?
All right, y'all. So I got 3 pounds of king crab. Came with butter. Where's the coleslaw at?
Do a caramel coleslaw?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We asked him. He said it's more coming, so.
Oh yeah, that's your roll. Yeah. Some rolls. And Niyah ordered a crab bowl or something like that. And Clermont waiting on his lobster roll. Oh, no, like crab roll or something.
Crab cake roll.
Yeah. That's right. On our way back to the ship. Stopped at the gift store or one of the gift shops and got a couple things.